In a study, it showed that those who made notes performed way better than those who were listening. So, a lot of you asked me to make a video on how I make notes. Here it is. First, it is a highly personalized process, by which I mean it's all up to you on how you make notes and what type of note you are making. It can be aesthetic, it can be super filled, but it's all up to you how you like it. So stop getting distracted by those super clean note taking aesthetic videos. Personally telling, I used to watch a lot of those, and to be honest, they were just time wasting. Because when I tried those things on my notes were very bad in front of them, so it demotivated me a lot. But like, it's all up to you. You shouldn't compare your notes to some YouTuber or else. Second, blank pages versus ruled pages. I prefer blank pages because it gives me more flexibility on diagrams, examples, and headings. I prefer drawing a lot of headings and examples, so that's why I use blank pages. But you can use ruled notebooks if you are you have less time or you want to make your note fast, as those notebooks have a line on it on which you can write. But in blank pages, it's totally blank like a drawing page, so you have to make notes very slowly, so it should be straight in line. Third thing is structure. So the structure means that elements you are gonna put in the note. The structure I follow is subtopics plus bullet points plus definitions plus example. You can do anything. You can first make mind maps, you can then put chapter name, then you can put subtopics. But for me, I put I put the chapter name in front of the page, then subtopics, then bullet points, then definitions in my own language, which is important, and some examples. Fourth thing is school notes versus coaching notes. School note taking requires lesser effort than coaching, as you have to retain a lot of hard informations from coaching, and from school you already have notes which your teacher gave, so it's easier to make school notes. So I give school notes lesser time, and then coaching notes like 3 hours or 4 hours I make coaching notes, and sometimes if I remember I make school notes. So it's all up to you and the thing you are doing. For me, I am preparing for some Olympiad, so I have to focus on coaching more, so that's why I am making my notes super clean and putting more focus on my coaching notes. Third thing is mind maps. So if you don't know what a mind map is, it is basically a flowchart of all the subtopics which you studied. First thing is in mind map, you can't just make mind map in front page of the chapter. It's always preferred to make mind maps in the last, because till then you have written all the subtopics already and their definitions, so you know what subtopics and things to write and make a mind map on. So now the most basic thing, when to make notes, like what should we do to make notes and how should we do it. Sixth yet most important thing is, what should we do before making notes. So the first thing is, you should read the chapter thoroughly, then you should read plus highlight it. Okay, read and highlight it. Third is, question yourself from the highlighted points. This is very important, and it is basically active recalling in short. So you can do this, and it helps me a lot to retain things faster. Fourth is synthesizing the highlighted points, which basically means cutting down the highlighted points into some shorter explanations and definitions. So thank you guys. This was the video. I know I haven't uploaded from 7 months, but sorry for that. I am a little bit inconsistent, but now I will be uploading every 2 weeks or every 1 week. It will depends. So guys, please subscribe. It will help me, and please, if you want to, you can like the video. Thank you.
me if so. Breathe